Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making banoffee pie. Banoffee pie is an English dessert made up of cream, bananas, toffee combined on a crumbled layer of biscuits and butter. So let's start making this super delicious recipe. But before that, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and like the video. The base of banoffee pie is crumbled biscuit along with butter. Here I have crumbled digestive biscuits into the mixer grinder. I have taken 5 small packs of NutriChoice biscuits. I go in for these digestive biscuits because they do not get soggy at all. Now I'll be adding 125 grams of melted butter into it. I have taken normal Amul butter and we will mix it very well. Be very generous with the butter because it will give a very good taste to the pie, as well as it will also make your pie firm. Now we are going to transfer this into a dish. Spread it evenly. You can use a spatula or your hands also. Here I am using a glass base so that the layer is even as well as firm. This is now ready. We need to refrigerate it for approx 25 to 30 minutes so that it sets very well. After 30 minutes, our base is now set. Now is the most interesting part, the toffee sauce part. In order to make the toffee sauce, we need to caramelize the condensed milk. I have given 4 whistles in the pressure cooker. Be very sure that the whole can is submerged in water in the pressure cooker. As the can will be very hot, wait for some time and open it when it is lukewarm. Wow, that looks yummy. Now we'll transfer the whole can into a bowl. Now we need to whisk it a little in order to smoothen it up. As condensed milk is thick itself and caramelizing it makes it even thicker, we need to whisk it a little. Now our yummy toffee sauce is ready. So now we will spread our toffee sauce on the biscuit layer. This is the yummiest layer in the pie. Keep a check on the corners and make an even layer out of it. After layering this will again go in the refrigerator for 25 to 30 minutes or until it sets well. Now the last step of whipping the cream. For this I have taken ice in a dish. The bowl in which I am going to whip the cream, I have kept that bowl along with the beaters in the freezer for 1 hour so that it gets chilled. Here I am using 400 ml of Amul low fat cream. You need to whisk it for 5 to 6 minutes now. Before starting this procedure, keep the cream in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight. Snip off the top of the pack before keeping it in the refrigerator. And while using, take the thick part of the cream which settles on the top. Now after 5 minutes, I am going to add in coffee. This is half a teaspoon of coffee along with 4 to 5 drops of water. I'll just mix it and I will add it into the cream. Along with that, I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of powdered sugar and we will whisk it again for 3 to 4 minutes. As you can see, our cream has now thickened and doubled in size and it is ready to use now. Now let's check our toffee sauce layer. It's now firm. Now we'll place a layer of bananas. I have cut these bananas. If you want, you can double the layer also. It's up to you. Now spread a generous layer of cream over these bananas and your pie is ready. Ensure that you cover the entire surface and level it evenly. Now I'm going to make a rocky surface with the help of a spoon. Just tap it and lift it again and again, and it will be ready. I'm using dark chocolate to garnish my pie. With the help of a peeler, just scrape the chocolate and garnish it all over the pie. Our pie is now ready. Keep it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving so that it sets properly. Do try this creamylicious pie and give your feedback in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes. Until then, bye bye.